Bitcoin transfer FaucetPay to Binance. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to transfer Bitcoin from FaucetPay to Binance. So after you open up now your Binance app like this now go ahead and tap on this asset from Binance. After you come to the asset from Binance, now go to deposit. So in this deposit section now, go ahead now and search for BTC. BTC. So here is now BTC. Now tap on this BTC to copy the address. So now here is the BTC. So now copy the BTC address. Now tap on this network. So select the network you want to use, whether you want to use BTC, Bitcoin, or Binance Merchant. For me, I will use Binance Merchant because it is less charges. So now tap on this copy. Now you copy the address of your Binance of your BTC from Binance. All you have to do now go back to your FaucetPay app. So now as you can see now, after you open up your FaucetPay app, all you have to do now on your FaucetPay app, all you have to do now go ahead now and open up the go back to the FaucetPay withdrawal page and paste in the address that you copy. After you paste in the address that you copy now, select the same crypto and network. That's select the Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw from the FaucetPay. Then click on withdrawal and confirm. So from there you can wait for like an hour or less than an hour. From there you can be able now to receive your Bitcoin to your Binance account, and you can go back to Binance account and check if the withdrawal has arrived. So if you come to your Binance like this now to check if the withdrawal has arrived or not, just go back to the asset in your Binance and tap on this, as you can see now, this little arrow to check the history. So from this option now, just go ahead now and tap on this like spot or funding, any one of them. So from this option now, you can be able now to see the deposit. As you can see here, it says deposit. So you can be able now to see the deposit address of the Bitcoin that you send. That's it guys on how to transfer